Time spent on decks should be a time of peace and relaxation, not time spent looking at all the problems. Warped boards, split ends, and nails or screws popping up. Traditional built decks, constructed with nails or screws driven through the face of the board, cause not only eyesores, but they can be dangerous as well. Now the Craig Deck Jig system puts a brand new angle on an old approach to building decks. Utilizing tools and basic skills that you already have, this concealed fastener system allows you to build a beautiful, long-lasting deck you have always wanted. Combining the strength and durability of face screwing with proven pocket hole technology to hide the fasteners, this system is the perfect 1-2 punch for a deck that is simple to build, gorgeous, and safe. The core of the Craig Deck Jig system is its solid metal drill guides, which allow you to drill holes and drive screws at the precise angle and perfect depth time after time. The angle of the guides not only hide the screws on the edge of the board, but are optimal for maximum holding power, while the screw depth is precisely controlled, which eliminates overdriving and blowing out the board, or underdriving, leaving exposed fasteners and loose boards. This process is made fast and worry-free by the included depth collars on both the driver bit and drill bit that are set using the gauges molded right on the jig. Once set, just drill the hole, load the screw, and drive it home. The Craig Deck Jig is equipped with 3 drill guides, a center guide, and 2 angle guides. Using the center guide in the center of the joist allows for the most holding power, while the angle guides provide you flexibility by going where the center guide cannot, such as spliced or obstructed ends. The fasteners themselves are specifically designed for use with the Craig Deck Jig, featuring a deep KTX square drive that gives you solid driver engagement, which means no cam-outs, self-tapping tip for fast, easy driving, and they are built from case-hardened steel to eliminate bending or breaking. These screws can also be used as face screws for a variety of outdoor projects. Available in ProTech coat and stainless steel finishes. Choose which one is right for your application. The Craig Deck Jig system does not stop there. The kit comes with sample screws, an instructional DVD, and spacer rings. These 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch spacer rings allow you to maintain consistent spacing on your deck boards, which not only gives your deck a better overall appearance, but more importantly, allows for proper air movement, which reduces moisture buildup, making for a longer lasting deck. The system is light, built for rugged use, and comes with a lifetime guarantee. Rubber feet on the bottom of the jig prevents slipping while drilling and driving, and the oversized handle provides a comfort grip, keeping your hands away from the action. The Craig Deck Jig system works with a variety of easy-to-buy materials you are already familiar with. Composites and exotic hardwoods between 3/4 inch and 5/4 inch can all be adding charm to your deck. Whether you are building a deck from scratch or giving your existing deck a facelift, there has never been an easier, more economical way to have the beautiful, long-lasting deck you've always wanted with concealed fasteners. Learn more online at craigtool.com or visit your local Craig dealer today.
If you've ever installed drawer slides, you know it can be a challenge. You have to position the slide at exactly the right height with just the right setback and hold it perfectly level while you try to screw it to the cabinet. It's a fussy, frustrating job, unless you have Rockler's new Universal Drawer Slide Jig. Designed to work with most of all bearing, epoxy, and center mount slides, the jig holds the slide securely and makes it easy for you to position it perfectly for quick, accurate installations. And it features an indexing rod that makes repeated installations a snap. Like all great jigs, it's easy to use. Just separate the 2 parts of the slide and put the cabinet track in the jig as it will be installed in the cabinet. An integral stop guarantees the right setback from the front of the cabinet, and the innovative locking wedge grips the slide securely, so you don't have to worry about it shifting or tipping. Beveled edges on the jig's wings line up with the bottom of the slide for easy positioning at the cabinet, and there's a scale in case you need to offset the mounting height. The jig positions the slide square to the front of the cabinet and level from front to back. Flat areas on the body make it easy to clamp it to the cabinet if you want to free up both hands to drive the mounting screws. After installing a couple of screws, you can release the locking wedge, remove the jig, and drive all the remaining mounting screws as directed in the slide instructions. If you need to install multiple slides at the same height, this jig will save you a lot of time and the hassle of measuring at each location. It features an indexing rod that lets you register the slide off of a reference surface on the cabinet. The rod can be installed from the top or bottom of the jig, depending on the location of the reference surface. When you've got the slide located precisely, slide the indexing rod until the plastic foot makes contact and lock it in with the brass knob. At the next installation site, just butt the foot of the indexing rod against the reference surface to position the jig at the right height. You'll get perfect installations time after time. The indexing rod also works great when you're mounting center mount slides on a cross rail. So if you want easy and accurate drawer slide installations every time, you owe it to yourself to get Rockler's Universal Drawer Slide Jig. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence.
With the Rack Magnetic Wristband, there's no need to search your pockets anymore. This innovative tool holds nails, bolts, and screws right where you need them. Never lose small parts again with 10 strong magnets strategically placed throughout the wristband. When working alone, this awesome tool is a great time saver, giving you a third helping hand for every project you throw at it. But it's not only for your wrist. Strap it on your waist and use it as a super compact tool belt. Our magnetic wristband is built to last with adjustable fit for every wrist and features a soft, breathable inner layer so you can work all day. This is the perfect gift for the handyman or do-it-yourselfer for any occasion. You won't know you needed one until you have one. Satisfaction guaranteed with a full 1-year return policy when purchased from Ad Hoc LLC. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Buy yours today.
Tight reach extension wrenches. Professional grade tools that save you valuable time and keep you from busting your knuckles. No more one click at a time and no more scarred knuckles. You're in a tight spot with your ratchet where a full swing isn't possible. With the tight reach, you bring the ratchet point out to where you have full rotation on your driver. That means better leverage and a larger degree of rotation for your ratchet, not to mention less chance of busting your knuckles. The tight reach comes in 4 existing models and can be used with your existing socket sets. Our lifetime warranty Pro-Line professional grade wrenches can be used with a ratchet driver or impact wrenches. Our heavy-duty half-inch drive is the tool you need for working in agriculture or diesel mechanics. The 3/8 drive is perfect for all those tight places in the automotive industry. And our slim profile 1/4-inch professional tight reach can reach even the smallest spaces. Finally, our entry-level 3/8 DIY wrench is built for those do-it-yourself household jobs. Each tight reach model comes with the adapters you need to get the job done. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a seasoned mechanic, anyone who has a socket set can benefit from having the tight reach extension wrenches. Save your time, save your knuckles with tight reach.